we're in Allegheny National Forest. Not doing too much adventuring, just set up camping for a week or more straight. Just figured give you a tour of the campsite here. We're all set up here right on a little river. Got a nice setup here. Nice and shady areas back in the pines. Got our hammock up there for kicking back, relaxing.
Which we have. I go to my bucket. Butterfly curtain.
Got a nice little waiting area. Got solar panels set up back there, keeping our auxiliary battery charged to keep the fridge going and to keep the Starlink going. We're out here because it's closer to get to the hospital for one of our daughter's due dates coming up, so figured we'd come out this way and put the Starlink up so that way they can get a hold of us if she goes into labor, and head to the hospital to meet our newest grandchild. Alright, well, this is it. Alright, well, since we're set up at camp and not going nowhere, we decided we was going to take an adventure. Something touched you? It was probably a fish. But we was going to take an adventure. We was going for a creek walk. Going to venture down here. Apparently either this creek goes into another creek or another creek comes into this creek. So we're going to walk downstream and see what we can find. This morning we saw a bunch of ducks right in here. They came and must have a flight path through here. They come right down through here, landed here, and then took off as fast as can be downstream.
The water is a little chilly today.
Yes, the water is definitely very chilly today compared to yesterday. That's a nice little hole here. Looks like it gets a little deep over there.
Yeah, why don't you go check it out?
No, I'm good.
I would, but it's a little chilly today.
I haven't seen any good sized fish in here yet, but I'm sure they're in here somewhere because there's all kinds of little ones right up by camp. Anytime you get in there, they're just, all the little fish are attacking your legs, sitting there nibbling on your legs and everything. And you hear Grandma scream every now and then because a little fish will get under her toes, and she don't like whenever they get under her toes and attack her toes, so. Ah, here we go. I think this is where the other stream comes in.
Warmer down here.
It is warmer down here. Yeah, right there's the bridge and the road that we're camping on. It's rockier down here too. Whew, not once you step right here, this is a really cold mountain stream. You go right there, it's warm. Right here, you're like, Oh, that is cold. Big change in difference here. Big change in difference. I can't even talk, it's so cold. I'm getting shivers.
I can feel the change already.
That's icy, right?
Yeah. Fish are getting me already. Oh, hey, look, it's warm again.
Yeah.
This is almost backwater here.
Yeah, right? That is nice there. Wow, that's a big boulder. This water, I mean, it's very clear water, but the bottom's so silted up, it almost gives it like a tea color appearance. So a lot of times when you're walking here, depending on how the light's hitting it, depends on whether you can see where you're stepping or not. And then also, as you're stepping, stirring up all the silt, you can't see nothing in front of you since we're walking downstream. So all kinds of dragonflies everywhere around here. Don't know if you'll be able to see this. Oh, there it goes. Right down here below the bridge, looks like a decently little deep swimming hole. Alright, well, there's a storm rolling through. We're down here hanging out in the screen canopy, sitting there watching the creek flow by, enjoying the evening, listening to the thunder, watching some lightning, waiting for the storm to roll on through, so maybe we can go cook some dinner on the fire or figure out what we're going to have for dinner.
Oh no, it's still a beautiful evening. Fire's going good.
Alright, so me and Grandma was down here playing in the water. And we thought it was bad because all the little minnows keep attacking our toes and our legs. What was that?
I don't know.
It sounded big. But now, the crayfish are attacking my feet, and I just had 2 of them climbing up my leg. Is using its pinchers, pulling itself up with my leg hairs. There's a... Ouch! That's my toe! There's 2 of them down here right now.
One over here.
One's on my foot. There's a big one that just went over that way. He's one of the ones that was climbing up my leg. Little fishies everywhere. Stop pinching my toes.
Just go back under a rock.
You know, I used to catch crayfish all the time when I was little. And they used to hide from us. They never come out and tried to attack me. Like, I don't know what's up with the little minnows and the crayfish in this river.
There's 2 fighting over here.
There's a big one going. I don't know if you can see it due to the glare, but there's a big one going up along that rock there.
I see it, I see it.
All these little minnows keep getting me. Crayfish are getting me.
Came down at lunchtime, and I think that
We're just trying to enjoy some time in a little creek and cool off. And apparently they decided that it's lunchtime and we're going to be their lunch.
Oh, here comes another crayfish. Over here.
Oh, look, here we go. It's climbing my leg again. Oh, and I got one on my other toe now, too. Jeez. Don't pinch me hard. Let's see how far it makes it. Last one poked its head out of the water and looked at me before it decided it was going to flop away.
After pinching you?
Yep. Hi, buddy.
Did he come out?
They seem to get scared once their head pops out of the water and they see a hole. Ouch, that's my toes! Oh, he's getting me good! Ouch! Get out of here! Ow! Oh, he got my toe good! Okay, well, I think I'm getting away from them crayfish. We're gonna go upstream a little bit or something.
Question is, can we though?
Right?
Because we can't. Oh, something bigger for that.
So this is Bear Creek in Allegheny National Forest. Apparently the little critters in here are hungry and they don't care if you're a person or not. Alright. Let's venture upstream a little. Maybe we can get away from the attack of the crayfish.
I don't know, because if you remember, there's a ton of them over here too.
Yeah. But these ones here wasn't trying to eat us.
No, but they heard about you down here trying to catch these ones. Figured those ones would try to catch you first.